Not all wealthy people are created equal. Wealth comes in many forms, shaped by different paths, decisions, and values. Today, we'll explore 15 unique types of rich people, diving deep into how they earn, spend, and sustain their fortunes, and what lessons we can learn from them. Let's start with the just got rich. These individuals are often swept into wealth seemingly overnight. Maybe they struck gold by investing in a startup that went public or found themselves in the spotlight due to a viral moment. Their sudden wealth feels surreal. And because it comes so quickly, they often lack the financial literacy needed to manage it wisely. Their purchases are impulsive. Think flashy sports cars, diamond-studded watches, and multi-million-dollar homes that they barely live in. Social media amplifies their need to showcase wealth as they compete for the likes with private jet selfies and extravagant vacations. However, beneath the glamour lies a precarious reality. Their financial foundation is fragile. They spend without saving, often ignoring the importance of investing in income-generating assets. Their mantra? The money will always come. But when the market shifts or trends change, their wealth can evaporate, leaving them struggling to maintain a lifestyle that they can no longer afford. These stories serve as a reminder that financial literacy is just as important as the wealth itself. Next, we have the real estate rich, a group that thrives on patience and strategy. Unlike the fast money mindset of the newly rich, these individuals understand the long-term value of property investments. They often start small, purchasing a modest rental property or fixer-upper, and reinvest the profits into building a portfolio. These properties can range from a single-family home to sprawling apartment complexes or commercial spaces. They're the ones talking about terms like cash-on-cash returns and equity growth. Their weekends are spent managing tenants, scouting deals, or attending property auctions. Real estate-rich individuals live below their means, often driving older cars and avoiding luxury splurges because they know their wealth is compounding behind the scenes. While they might not have the immediate flash of just-got-rich crowd, their strategy ensures that their wealth grows steadily and securely over decades. Additionally, their success often inspires others to explore real estate as a wealth-building strategy, making them mentors in their communities. Then, there are the trading and hedge fund rich, who thrive in a world of high stakes and even higher risks and borderline gambling sometimes. Traders are the adrenaline junkies of the financial world, glued to multiple monitors, analyzing trends, and making lightning-fast decisions. Their wealth can be made or lost in an instant, leading to an emotional roller coaster that many outsiders just don't understand. Hedge fund professionals, on the other hand, play a more calculated game, managing billions of dollars for wealthy clients. These individuals often earn bonuses so large that they become millionaires overnight. But the cost? Grueling hours, immense pressure, and a work-life imbalance that leaves many burnt out. They'll tell you stories of market crashes, once-in-a-lifetime trades, and the constant thrill of chasing the next big deal. Some hedge fund professionals invest heavily in wellness programs, attempting to counteract the stress, but the nature of their work ensures that they're always chasing the next challenge, chasing the dragon, if you will. It's a lifestyle built on intensity and high rewards, but one that few can sustain long term. The royal family rich represent old money at its finest. Their fortunes are often tied to family legacies that span centuries. Despite the immense privilege they enjoy, they tend to be more reserved and well-mannered than you might expect. These individuals carry the weight of their family name, balancing the luxury of their lifestyle with the responsibility to uphold tradition. You won't find them flaunting their wealth on social media. Instead, they focus on preserving their legacy, ensuring that their fortunes last for future generations. Their lives are a balance of luxury and duty, often filled with diplomatic obligations, charitable endeavors, and family traditions. Their stories are often steeped in history, with wealth derived from long-held assets like land, rare jewels, and even influence in global politics. The responsibility to maintain and grow their legacy often leaves them with a different perspective on wealth, one noted in stewardship rather than indulgence. Tech-rich individuals are the modern pioneers of wealth creation. They're the innovators, the coders, and the entrepreneurs who bring groundbreaking ideas to life, often starting with nothing more than a laptop and a dream. They work tirelessly to develop products or services that disrupt entire industries. For them, Wealth is not just a reward, but a tool to fuel their creativity. They're known for reinvesting their earnings into new ventures, constantly seeking the next big breakthrough. While some tech-rich individuals embrace the limelight, many prefer a quieter life, channeling their energy into solving problems and optimizing every aspect of their personal and professional lives. Their fascination with technology extends well beyond their work. They're often early adopters of futuristic gadgets, electric vehicles, and smart home systems. Many invest in philanthropic initiatives focused on education, technology access, and sustainability, further cementing their legacy as innovators and changemakers. The philanthropy rich are a tenet to how wealth can create meaningful change. These individuals dedicate their resources to cause and inspire them, from funding global education initiatives to combating climate change. Whether they've inherited wealth or built it through entrepreneurial success, they use their fortunes to leave a lasting legacy. Their days are filled with meetings with global leaders, overseeing projects, and ensuring that their contributions make a tangible impact. They show us that wealth, when used responsibly, can uplift communities, preserve cultures, and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Their dedication often leads them to create foundations or partner with nonprofits, enabling them to channel their resources towards causes that they're deeply passionate about. These individuals understand that their influence goes beyond financial contributions. Their leadership inspires others to give back and strive for positive change. The celebrity rich live in a world of glamour and constant scrutiny. Their wealth comes from their talent, whether as actors, musicians, athletes, or influencers. However, fame is just a double-edged sword. While they enjoy luxury homes, designer wardrobes, and exclusive experiences, they're also under constant pressure to maintain their public image. Fans expect them to embody aspiration and opulence, which drives many celebrities to overspend in an effort to stay relevant. For those who manage their finances wisely, diversification is key. They invest in businesses, launch their own brands, or pivot into new industries to ensure that their wealth outlasts their fame. Beyond the glitz and glamour, some celebrities use their platform to advocate for social issues, blending their wealth with activism. However, for many, the relentless pursuit of relevance can lead to burnout, making financial and emotional stability elusive goals. Trust fund rich individuals grow up in a bubble of privilege, where financial scrutiny is a given. Their lives are shaped by the sacrifices of their parents or grandparents who built the wealth that they now inherit. While some trust fund heirs embrace responsibility and strive to preserve their family's legacy, others fall into entitlement, squandering opportunities and resources. Those who take the high road often engage in philanthropy or entrepreneurial ventures, aiming to prove themselves beyond their inherited wealth. Trust fund wealth creates a unique challenge, balancing gratitude for their privilege with the pressure to make a meaningful impact. The don't ask question rich are shrouded in mystery. Their wealth often stems from ventures that toe the line between ethical and questionable, and maybe they were on Epstein's island. Over time, many seek to clean up their image by investing in legitimate businesses, but their past often follows them, creating an aura of intrigue and speculation. These individuals understand the fragility of their position, making them cautious and calculated in their public dealings. While their fortunes may be vast, their reputations are always at stake, forcing them to tread carefully in both personal and professional spaces. Serial entrepreneurs are the restless creators of the business world. They strive on starting new ventures, often juggling multiple projects at once. For them, success isn't just about money, it's about the challenge of creating something from nothing and seeing it flourish. Their enthusiasm and drive makes them some of the most dynamic individuals that you'll ever meet. They're constantly looking for the next big idea, often venturing into uncharted territories. This relentless pursuit of innovation keeps them energized, but it can also leave them stretched thin as they try to balance out their numerous commitments. The can't tell rich live quietly, blending into the fabric of everyday life. They drive modest cars, live in unassuming homes, and value simplicity over extravagance. Their wealth comes from decades of smart investments, disciplined spending, and a deep understanding of delayed gratification. These individuals are often the happiest on this list, as they've mastered the art of contentment. They prioritize quality over quantity, investing in products and experiences that truly enrich their lives. Despite their understated lifestyles, they're often incredibly generous, quietly supporting causes and communities without seeking recognition. The all-in rich are gamblers at heart, true degenerates, putting everything on the line for a single opportunity, whether it's a business venture or high-stakes poker game or calculated risk in the stock market or crypto. They thrive on the thrill of big wins. Their stories often include dynamic highs and lows, as their willingness to take on risks leads to both incredible successes and crushing failures. These individuals live by the philosophy that fortune favors the bold, and while their approach isn't for everyone, it's undeniably exciting. Book-rich individuals, including authors and creators, build their wealth through their creativity. They lead fulfilling lives, balancing the joy of connecting with their audiences with the pressures of meeting the expectations and staying relevant. Many authors spend years perfecting their craft, often facing rejection before finding success. When their work finally resonates, it can open doors to royalties, speaking engagements, and adaptations for film or television. Beyond the financial rewards, book-rich individuals often value the impact of their work has on the readers, finding purpose in the stories they tell and the ideas they share. However, the pressure to replicate past successes can be immense, leading to self-doubt and constant pursuit of the next great project. The trend-rich capitalize on emerging movements, from cryptocurrency to AI, turning their early adoption into massive wealth. While some are visionaries, others are opportunists, riding the wave of hype for as long as they can last. Cryptocurrency, for example, created a new class of millionaires who believed in the decentralized future of finance before it became mainstream. Similarly, those who embraced AI technologies early are now reaping the rewards, developing the tools and platforms that revolutionize industries. Trend-rich individuals often face skepticism, as not all trends lead to sustainable wealth. The key to their success lies in knowing when to enter and, more importantly, when to exit a trend. They're risk takers willing to bet on the future, but their fortunes can be just as volatile as the movement they follow. Finally, the motivational speaker rich, building their fortunes by inspiring others. They sell the dream of success through books and courses and seminars. While some provide genuine insights, others rely on flashy promises that don't always deliver. These individuals are masterful marketeers, crafting narratives that resonate with the audience, hungry for a change. They often draw from their own experience, turning personal challenges into universal lessons. However, critics argue that their business model thrives on overselling the simplicity of achieving wealth, leaving followers disillusioned. Despite this, their influence is undeniable as they continue to attract audiences eager to learn the secrets to success. Okay, and one last bonus one, the soon-to-be rich are diligently working towards financial independence. They invest in themselves. They focus on long-term strategies and build solid foundations for a prosperous future. These individuals are characterized by their discipline, curiosity, and the willingness to learn. They devour books on personal finance, attend workshops, and seek mentors who can guide them on their journey. While they might not be wealthy yet, their habits and mindsets set them apart, ensuring that success is only a matter of time. They're the ones who remind us that wealth isn't just about money, it's about choices. The choices that we make every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and let me know down below in the comments which of these types resonate with you the most. Which type are you? Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.